Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. I think everyone yesterday enjoyed abstraction of Spring JDBC that is providing on the top of plain JDBC technology. Everyone, I hope you felt it practically. In JDBC, lot of boilerplate code, lot of common logics, lot of boilerplate code, lot of common logics. Lot of boiler code, lot of common logics, guys. Right. Let's continue that example application, boss. I would like to add more methods performing more persistence operation, different varieties I would like to show. Right. Where is that, boss? 11, 18, 18, JDBC pros 01. Yes, DAO. I would like to get employee name based on the given employee number. This is my another requirement, which is also select operation. String. Get employee name by employee number. Get employee name by employee number into ENO. Get employee name by employee number. Super. Okay. Get employee name by employee number. First, let me prepare a query here, guys. Private static final string get emp name, get emp name by number. Get emp name by employee number. Let's see. Public select ename from emp where employee number is equal to question mark. Where employee number is equal to question mark. Get employee name by number, select ename from emp, where employee number is equal to question mark. Understanding my statement, guys? Query is ready. Single value. When I say single value, I should think about using query by object method or not. Query for object method. Let's see what I'm going to do. String name is equal to query for object. Query for object. Right. This is 0 na 1 na. Yes, that is O. Query for object. Yeah, what is the query, guys? Get employee name by number. Get employee name by number. After this required type. Array, this query is trying to get employee name. Employee name means text content. Text means string. Text means string, guys. So here is my string dot class. String dot class. Now listen, guys. Now I am introducing third parameter, that is supplying query parameter value. That is supplying query parameter value. So what is the query parameter value? Employee number. Anyhow, this is representing employee number, ENO. First argument is query. Second argument is required type. Third argument is var args, guys. Var args. Var args means any number of arguments we can pass. How many question marks are there? Those many values you have to pass here. It's a overloaded methods, guys. It's a overloaded. Check it out. SQL required type nullable 3 dots object 3 dots args. So var args, guys. How many parameters are there in the query? The same number of values you have to pass here. Here is my string name. Yeah. What's happening here, guys? What's happening here? This method gather injected data source object. Using the data source object, gets connection object from connection group. Creates prepared statement object having this given query as the precompiled query. Having given query as the precompiled query. Come on, guys. Executes 1 minute. Sets ENO as the query parameter value. Executes the query. You will get result set object having employee name. Some Ellen. Okay. Calls rs dot get string method to get Ellen as the string value. Returns that string to the DAO method. DAO method returns to service class method. Service class method. Are you getting my point, guys? What is the signature of this method? The signature of this method is query for object. Query for object. Query required type. Required type. 3 dots or param values. 3 dots param values. Done. Here is my service, guys. Employee management service, guys. Here is my public string. Yeah, fetch. I'm taking one more method. Fetch employee name by employee number into employee number. Next one. Here is my service IMPL. Add unimplemented methods. Add unimplemented methods, guys. Add unimplemented methods. Let's have a look, guys. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Use DAO. String name is equal to DAO dot get employee name by this. Done. Here also name. Okay, cool, guys. Semicolon. Okay. Go to client application, because yesterday itself we configured all Spring Beans, boss. Go to client application, right? Here is the stuff. Employee name for given employee number. Service dot Get fetch employee name by number 7499. 7499 is available number only. Don't worry. Employee number. JDBC template test. Yes. Employee count is 21, guys. Ellen is the name. Ellen is the name. Did you notice that, boss? Did you observe that, guys? Come on. Right. Fine. So one more select operation. One more select operation getting specific single value. Specific single value. Right, guys? So shall we go for next level? Now this time I want to get single record. According to yesterday's theory, single record means what is the method? You are telling, then I am writing the code. You are telling. Vinith, right? What about others? What about others? To get single record, what is the method we are having? To get single record, what is the method we are having, guys? What is the method we are having? Query for map. Yes. Majority people given right. That means those who are attending regularly, they are able to give the answer. I'm happy. Query for map. In this map, how that single record comes, guys? Keys. How that single record comes? In that map, how that single record comes, guys? As key value pairs. Column names as the keys, column values as the values. Column names as the keys, column values as the values. Are you listening my statement, guys? Right. Okay. Public map. String comma object. Array, why string? Array, keys are always, column names are always strings, guys. That's why string. Object. Array, some columns holds numeric value, some column values int value, some column value string value. What is the common type for any type, guys? What is the common superclass for any Java class? Okay. What is the generic class in Java? The generic class for any type is what? Java.lang.object class. Java.lang.object is the topmost class in the inheritance hierarchy of any Java class. So object class reference variable can refer any class object in Java, boss, because that is the topmost class in the inheritance hierarchy of Java class, right? In India, PM can give any order to any human being because he is the topmost person in the hierarchy, boss. He is the topmost person in the hierarchy, right? Public map string comma object. Get EMP details by number. Get EMP details by employee number. Get EMP details by employee number. Entry and super, boss. Let's implement this method, boss. Let's implement this method now. Let me prepare a query first. Private static final. Get employee details by. Get employee details by employee number. Okay. Employee name, employee job, sal, DEPTNO from EMP, where EMPNO is equal to question mark. Where the EMPNO is equal to question mark. employee number, employee name, job, sal, department number from EMP, where EMP NO is equal to question mark. Everyone getting my point, guys? Come on. Right. This gives me one record, specific multiple column values, one record. It gives me one record, guys. Okay, guys. Right, boss. Now listen. Yes. Map string comma object. Map string comma object map is equal to JT dot query for map. JT dot query for map. Listen. This is the query. JT dot. Second one is parameters, guys. Second one is parameters you have to pass. Look at the signature of the method. This is my SQL query, guys. And these are the argument values I should pass. These are the argument values I should pass. Right, boss? Tell me, what are the argument values you should pass? Yeah. Map string comma object map is equal to JT dot query for map get underscore EMP underscore details by employee number ENO. Yes, here is the map object. Sir, how does it comes, guys? Column name. How many columns I am selecting? 4 column. 4 column names as 4 keys. And 4 column values are 4 values. Where? In the map object. You are least bothered about creating that map object. Converting the record of the result set into map object is the responsibility of query for map method. Do you want to know how it works? Collects injected data source object, collects connection object from connection pool, having this query, creates prepared statement object having the precompiled SQL query. Given query as the precompiled SQL query. To that query, given parameter value is set. Employee number is set as parameter value. Executes the query. When you execute the query, what you will get? You will get result set with one record. You will get result set with one record, guys. Come on. Okay, that record is now mapped into map collection. That record is now mapped into map collection. Column names as the keys, column values as the values. So don't worry, guys. I'll keep all the 3 methods. Copy this, boss. Today, no new document is taken. Let me take a new document. Here is my Spring story. Here is my FS Spring story, Spring JDBC story, right? Spring JDBC intro, 7th. It's not 7th. Let me sort by date, boss. Spring JDBC template 8th. Okay. Bold letters. BFR here, ALR here. This is my RS result set. Okay, here what will be there? 21 is the value. Okay, here what is called rs dot getInt is called. Why rs dot getInt only it has called? rs dot getInt of 1 is called, and the 21 is given as integer object. Later, that is converted into simple integer. Same 21 converted into simple integer. Tell me the process of converting wrapper object integer to simple integer is technically called what concept, guys? Auto unboxing. That is technically called as what? Auto unboxing. Reverse is called auto boxing, guys. This is the story there. So look at this story. Basically, you will get result set object, my dear, having one value. Every result set object 2 contains 2 default position. One is BFR, other one is ALR. BFR means before first record, guys. ALR means after last record, guys. So this is my RS boss. RS means what? Result set. This is going to be LN. This is going to be LN, guys. Super. Here is my RS dot get string of 2. RS dot get string of 2. RS dot get string of 2. LN comes as a string value. String object. Done, boss. Yeah, what about this theory, guys? Here you will get result set object with a record. Result set object with a record. Here is my RS boss. Result set. BFR before first record. ALR after last record. Here is my 7499. What is next? LN. 7499 LN. Come on. After that, what next? Yes. LN. Tell me here. 7499 LN. After that, employee number, employee name, job. Job is what? Clerk. What is this salary? $1,600. Array, the old values. And the department number, some 10 number. Yes. How they will be mapped, guys? They will be mapped to one map collection. Definitely they will be mapped to one map collection. This is my map object. This is my map object. Done. 7499 LN. Here is my clerk. Here is my 1600. Here is my clerk. Here is my 1600. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Yes, guys. Now tell me here. 7499. Here is my LN. Sorry. Employee number, column name wise. Okay, 7499. Copy this. E-name. What is this? LN. Next, job. Clerk. Sal 1600. Next, DEPTNO. Here is the 10. Fine. Here are my keys. Here are my values. Yeah, this is the map all correction, guys. Element 0. What, guys? Element 0. Element 1. Element 2. Element 3. Here is element 4. Here is element. Done, guys. This is the story related to map object, guys. So this record is now mapped to this. This is map, guys. Right, guys. Right. Now listen. Now look at this. Gets the results on. Gets the data source object, gets the connection object from connection pool, makes this query as precompiled query using prepared statement object, sets envo as a query parameter value, which is there here, executes the query, you will get results set object. You will get results set object, then you will get map object. Lastly, you will get what? Map object having the record. Map object having the record. Array, converting results set record into map object is not my burden. Query for map method internally take care of that process. So that means life is becoming simple or not. Number one, everything, whether a big query or small query, record or single value, you are finishing the job in single line. Okay, processing results set, getting into different types of collection is done explicitly or is a simplified process, guys? Is it done explicitly or is a simplified process? It's an internal process. So overall, you are benefiting with this or not? Overall, you are benefiting with this or not? Right. Public string comma object fetch EMP details by employee number into employee number. Fetch EMP details by employee number into employee number, guys. Nice. Here is there. Right. Map is equal to DAO dot get employee details by number. Here is my ENO return map. That's it, guys. JDBC template test. JDBC template test. Copy this, guys, paste it. Employee details of $7499 employee. 7499 ENOR service dot fetch EMP details by employee number. What is this? 7499. 7499. Okay, guys. Now let's see. JDBC template test. Okay, observe. Key value, key value, key value, key value, key value. Kema, not kema, boss. Key value, key value, key value. Kema, not kema. I want reply. Kema, not kema. Enjoyed my statement or not? Enjoyed my statement here or not? Easy or not? Okay, fine. So in plain JDBC to bring these effects, we have to do a lot of hard work. But without much hard work, only things are done. Right. Then I want to get multiple records. Select query with multiple records. This is a rare combination. Observe. List containing map objects. List with map. Map string comma object. Get EMP details by designation. Array, having one designation, one employee is there, multiple employees are there. Definitely there will be multiple employees, right? Definitely there will be multiple employees, guys. No doubt in that. Java.util.list. Why? Array, each record, one map. Multiple records, multiple map. They will be stored into one list collection. They will be stored into one list collection. All right. Let's see, guys. Public list map string comma object. Get EMP details by designation. Get EMP details by designation. Tell me here, what is this? Okay. Straight away method, guys. List map string comma object employees list. Array some name. Employees list is equal to JT dot query for list. Query for list. We have a direct method. Are you noticing it, guys? We have a direct method. Required type. Class T. Query for list. No. Query for list. Query for list. Returning list with map objects, guys. List with map object. I think first one is just query. Required third one. Look at the third one. Third one is actually looking for her. So first of all, let me prepare a query, guys. Let me prepare a query. Get EMP details by designation. Employee number, name, job, sal, department from EMP, where job is equal to question mark. Job is equal to question mark. Otherwise, let me make you people getting based three designation. Designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Total how many designations, guys? 3 designations. Come on. Array star also you can use, but I am not interested in 8 columns. I am interested in 4 columns. That's why I'm going for it. But writing star symbol in the query not required. Tomorrow number of columns increased or decreased, you should not give any problem. That's why recommended to take what? Yeah, now listen. Job in. How many question marks, guys? 3 question marks. Job in 3 question marks. Job in 3 question marks. JT dot query for list, guys. Query for list. What is our query, guys? Let me. Employed by designations. Employee details by designations. Employee details by designations. Right, boss. Tell me. Designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Total 3 parameters I am passing as 3 arcs. Okay. What's the problem? Oh, here I have not taken off. Fine, you are right. Designation 2, designation 3. Total how many designations are there, guys? 3 designations are there. Super, boss. Now listen. Written EMP's list. I'll give memory diagram also, don't worry. Go to DAO class, employee designation. Here also I have to take employee based on designation. Now gone now, boss. Instead of passing one parameter every time, this time I want to pass multiple parameters. A job in class means they will be executed having or condition only, na? In class, either designation 1 or 2 or 3. Either designation 1 or 2 or 3, guys. Come on. Super. Let's have a look now. Let's have a look now. This will gather data source object. Data source object gives connection object. Connection object you creates prepared statement object by making the query as precompiled query. Sets these 3 values as query parameter values. Sets these 3 values as query parameter values. Understanding my point? Guys, 1 minute. Right, boss. Designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Tell me, you will get executes the query. You will get result set object with a bunch of records. Those bunch of records, each record is converted into map object. All map objects are now placed into what, guys? List object, and that list is written. List with map objects are written. That will go to service class. Service class gives to client application. Easy na, boss? Right. Copy this, my dear. Here you observe. Save it. What I'm going to get is results. This is my BFR, guys. This is my ALR. BFR, ALR. This is my RS, guys. Result set. This is my RS result set. 7499. Okay. Ramesh. Okay. Clerk. Salary some 1900 department. Ramesh manager. Some Ram. Who is this manager? Some 2900 department. 5678. Okay. Ravi. Okay. Analyst. Let us assume 3 designations are. Having 1 designation, multiple records also may be there. Sample I am taking. 11th department. Fine, guys. Tell me, guys. Map object 1, map object 2, map object 3. Total how many map object? 3 map objects. Map object 2. This is map object 1. This is map object 3. Total how many map objects, guys? 3 map objects. Done. Done. 1, 2, 3. Here is what, guys? 1, 2, 3. 3 records, 3 map objects, all of them will get into one list collection. This is my list. List collection. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. Yes, guys, 3 map objects. Each map object contains what? Keys and values. Everyone getting my point? Everyone getting my point here? 3 records, 3 map objects are stored into list collection. Are stored into list collection. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Done. Three records, 3 map objects stored into list collection. Stored into list collection. That's it. Fine. Okay, now let's see how to deal with this one. See, life has become very easy. If you want to write this code, your bend will come out. You have to spend half an hour time to complete this logic. Just assume once. You have to establish the connection. You have to get the connection object from connection pool. You have to create prepared statement object. You have to set the parameter values to query. You have to execute the query. Then you will get result set object. Gathering each record of result set into keeping into map object. Adding all those map objects to list collection, returning list collection. Think about writing that code on your own. The thinking itself becoming heavy or not. But now headache is there. Everything is internally taken care. Did you notice that? Did you observe that, guys? Everything is internally taken care of. Super. Let's go for it. JDBC template test. Okay, now come here. Public list, map. I think this is good experiment of generics now. List with generics. In that one, each element is map. In that one, keys are strings, values are object. Fetch EMP details by designations. String designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Total how many designations are there, guys? 3 designations. Total how many designations are there, guys? 3 designations. Okay, we are in the service class, guys. Okay. Use service. We are in the service class, guys. Tell me, list map, string comma object. List map, string comma object. EMP's list. Service dot or DAO dot. DAO dot get employee details by designations. Nice, boss. Okay, here is what return EMP's list. Return EMP's list. Done, boss. Yes. Sys out 3 dots. Try, guys. Sys out. Okay, manager, clerk, analyst, designations, EMP details are. Fetch employee details by designation. What is this? First one, order is not important. Clerk. Second one is what? Manager. Third one is analyst. Catch. Data access exception. DAE. DAE dot print stack trace. DAE dot print stack trace. Let's see this one also, boss. (21) single value. This is single record. Here, multiple records. Check it out. Maybe I'm printing that one as it is. That's why it's coming like this. First record, guys. First element of list one. Second record, guys. Third record, guys. Fourth record, guys. Fifth record. Sixth record. Seventh record. I like this, multiple records are there, guys. Don't worry. No, sir, I want to print them vertically. Do one thing, guys. You keep the message here. List map, string comma object. EMP's list is equal to. EMP's list is equal to. Yes, boss. Yes, guys. Tell me. EMP's list dot for each. Here is my EMP. Sys out. Each iteration you will get one map, Bob. Okay. Each iteration you will get one map. Sys out map. System dot out dot println map, guys. Done. Semicolon. Save it. JDBC template test. Okay, now they are coming horizontally now, boss. Now they are coming horizontally. Did you notice that? Yes. So this is another story of another method. Clear, guys? Okay. Now, but one small fact I want to tell. Listen. If you are calling query for triplex method or query method, just having query, not setting any parameter values, just having query, not setting any parameter value, then it internally uses simple statement object by taking the given query as a static SQL query. By taking the given query as the static SQL query. No, if you are calling this method with multiple parameters, setting the parameter argument, query parameter values, then it internally uses prepared statement object. You want to see that? Okay, go to the documentation of this JDBC template class, guys. There's one internal observation, guys. JDBC template docs. JDBC template docs. Look at the methods story. In this method story, go to query for object method. First, go to query for object method. See, query for list executes the query for a result list given static SQL. Uses JDBC statement, not prepare statement. Because it's just query without parameters. When query without parameters are taken, query with hard-coded inputs are taken, it never uses prepared statement object. It internally uses what? Simple statement object. Look at the same query for list method. Lot of overloaded forms are there, guys. Look at the same query for list method. Query for list method with two params. Query given SQL to create a prepared statement object because parameters are involved. Again, once again, see query for list method with the three params. With three params. Okay, this one, anything. Query given SQL to create prepared statement object. Prepared statement object. Okay, come to this. Query for list. Two params are there, but varargs are not there. Varargs are not there. It is also using static SQL query. Static, simple statement object. That means static SQL query means what? Query will be compiled before the execution. Separate compilation of query will not be there. It's like what? You want to execute query next 1 minute. Okay, then at that time only query compiles. Okay, pre-compiled query is like what? Advanced ticket booking, guys. Okay, right now query compiled. In future it will be executed. If not executed, also not a problem. Array, static query is like a current ticket booking, boss. Static query is like current ticket booking. You purchase ticket, now you watch movie. Pre-compiled query is like advanced ticket booking. Advanced ticket booking, guys. You purchase ticket now for the movie that is going to come after 10 days. You purchase ticket now for the movie that is going to come after 10 days. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. If query comma query for XXX methods and update methods are called without passing query param values, vararg values, then the JDBC template internally uses simple statement object. Internally uses what, guys? Simple statement object. Okay, to send and simple statement object to send and execute the SQL query as the static SQL query. What query, guys? Static SQL query. Done. If query for triplex are called having arguments passing query param values. Query param means this one, guys, question mark. Query param values. Okay, varargs value. Then JDBC template internally uses prepared statement object. What is that? Prepared statement object to send and execute the precompiled SQL query. Precompiled SQL query in database software. In database software. Example. Look at this method, guys. Look at this method, first method. Are there any requirement of passing parameter values, guys? Is there any need of passing parameter values? Okay. Yes. Simple statement object query is static query. Look at this. There is a parameter and we are passing parameter value. There is a parameter and we are passing parameter value. There are parameters. Parameters are talking with what? Okay, prepared statement object. Yes, it's because of this varargs. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. This is the new point to concentrate. It can use both static queries and what? Dynamic queries. It can use both static queries and precompiled queries, guys. It depends upon what you are passing, how we are passing. Right, guys. Shall we get into the next level? Okay, let's see some non-select operation, boss. Now, I'm interested to delete the record. I want to delete the record who is not having any commission, who is not having any array in the EMP table. So many records are there, guys. This is a EMP table, guys. EMP table. Yes. Data. So many records are there. A lot of dummy records also recently we have inserted, right? Lot of dummy records also recently we inserted. In those dummy records, if you observe very carefully, hire date, MGR, commission, these are null values, no values. These are what? Null values. And for certain people, department number is also not there. Okay, I want to delete such employees who don't have department number. That means 456, 4567. Those people not even having any department number. I want to delete. Okay. That means they joined in the company, not assigned to department. After seeing for a few days, I want to remove them. After seeing few days, I want to remove them. Public int, numeric value, guys. Delete employees by employees having employees not having DPT and O. Yes, no condition, nothing, guys. Delete employees not having department numbers. Not having department numbers. Let's have a look, guys. Let's take the query, guys. Array model is same, Rababu. Model is same. Private static final. Okay, let me change. Delete employees with no DEPTNO. Yes. Tell me, guys. Delete from EMP. Delete from EMP. Where? DEPTNO is null. Array, you know this condition? Is null, is not null. You know this condition, guys? Is null, is not null. Yes, in Oracle SQL, you can directly have that condition, guys. Is null. There is no need of writing equal to null. Is null is there. Is null is there. Delete from EMP where DEPTNO is null. Done. DAO IMPL, guys. Int count is equal to execute update. Not execute update. Update. Query and arguments. Right now, only query is there. Only query means it uses simple statement object or prepared statement object. Only query, no parameters are there. Only query, no parameters are there. It uses simple statement or prepared statement. Only query, no parameter means it internal uses simple statement object. Yes. Return count. Public tell me, guys. Public string. Public string. Come on. Public string. Tell me. Delete employees. Public string. Delete employees or fire employees. Fire employees on bench. Array, on bench means they are not assigned to any project. On free pool. Array, in the companies, the employee who joined in the company but not assigned to any project, they are called free pool employee or on bench employee, guys. Fire employees on bench. Fire employees off on bench. Off on bench. That's it. Fire employees off on bench. Look at this. Array, service class is always dummy class. Don't worry. Use DAO. Use DAO. String. First of all, int count is equal to DAO dot. Delete employees not having department numbers. Message. Employees are fired. Employees are fired because they don't have designations. They don't have designation. Seriously, they don't have designation. That's cool, guys. Try. Sys out. Service dot. Fire employees. Fire employees on bench. DAO exception. Sorry, data access exception. DAO dot print stack trace. Cool guys. Let's see. JDBC. Two employees are fired because they don't have designation. See, a total 21 records, refresh. Now it is going to become how much? 19 records. So the employees without departments, are there or not there? Employees without department, are there or not there? Employees without department, are there or not there? Definitely not there. Definitely not there. Everyone getting my point? Super. Okay. Delete employees not having department numbers. DA means data access exception, Komal. I have written data access exception DAE and you are asking me what is DAE. So lazy brain, huh? Right. What is the internal story, guys? This method collects the injected data source object. Using data source object, it gets the connection object from connection code. Creates prepared statement object having this query. Creates prepared statement object having this query. Actually, not prepared, simple statement object. Why, sir? Are right now query without parameter. This is the query without parameter. Simple statement object. Sends and executes the query. Because of that query execution, how does it execute the query? Execute update method. Why? It is a non-select query. Non-select query in JDBC, it internally uses what? Okay. Non-select query internally uses what? Execute update method. That gives me what? Numeric value representing number of records that are affected. Numeric value representing number of records that are affected. So you will get a numeric value. Okay, suppose 2 records are deleted at 2, 10 records are deleted at 10, no records are deleted at 0. And it returns that 0 to service class. Service class returns to client. Maybe service class is returning as a string message. These many number of records are deleted. These many number of records are not deleted. You run the same application one more time. This time no records are there without employee number. 0 employees are fired because they don't have designation. So that means no employees are fired this time because all are having designation. That means all are busy with the project. All are busy with the project. Okay, guys. If the SQL query is select the SQL query, then the JDBC template class methods internally uses. Then the JDBC template class methods internally uses execute query method to execute the SQL query. To execute the SQL. If the same SQL query is update SQL query. Update means non-select query, guys. Non-select query. Then it uses execute update method internal. Execute update method internal. Got the clarity, boss? Come on. Understanding my statement, guys. What do you say? Enjoyed my statement, guys. Okay, still what is left? Update operation is left, insert operation is left. Once that is over, then we will start dealing with the callback interfaces. Then we will see other techniques, how to write code in JDBC, Spring JDBC. I think, are you feeling the abstraction? Are you really feeling the abstraction on that? Okay, I'm committing the code, guys. Team, share projects, done, paste. Git staging. Done. JDBC template. This is the Git URL, guys. Fine, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.